Hello good people, my name is K. Oboge and this is the next step in building a solution. After successfully downloading the Nairobi land use shapefile, I have now identified water channels, drainage system and rivers using QGIS. And this is important because to solve flooding, you first have to understand where water flows, where it gets blocked and which area are most vulnerable. This data can help us map flood risk areas, improve drainage planning, protect rivers corridors, and support smarter urban development. We cannot solve flooding blindly, we solve it with data. And this is just the beginning. The next layers I'll be looking for is storm water drainage infrastructure, elevation data, and flood hotspot layers, because every layer brings us closer to the real solution. This is King Oboge, and I promise to find a solution for Nairobi using QGIS, mapping, and coming up with a real solution.